With the Neo Smart, we have set a new benchmark by creating the most silent, most powerful, and most accurate trainer available. These attributes contributed to a road feel that had never previously been experienced. This benchmark is about to be taken to the next level. Introducing the Neo 2. We have completely redesigned the internal electronics. A new, highly improved, faster chipset allows for a smoother and more responsive control of the Neo motor. This results in a quieter cycling experience and paves the way to new, immersive features. By adding a capacitive left and right detection sensor, the trainer is now able to measure the exact position of both your legs. This allows for a detailed and accurate pedal stroke analysis, enabling you to improve your power distribution and cycling performance. We have given the Neo 2 a more vivid appearance by adding a bright touch of color to its outer housing. And in doing so, we proudly acknowledge another leap forward in trainer technology.